So hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm your host Harry. So today in this video I will show you how to convert a photo into a LaTeX file or a PDF into a LaTeX file, so that you can use that LaTeX file in your Overleaf or LaTeX. For that you have to search mathpix, and this is how it look like. After that you have two options: sign up and login. I will log in. I have already account in this. Okay, now log in. It will take some time. If you have good Wi-Fi, it don't take much time. So I'm already using it, so you can see a LaTeX equation, LaTeX commands and output, so you can copy it and use in your project or thesis. So now cut it. I will show you how to use it properly. Cut. Now you can see a plus sign. You can upload photos from here. You can see options, upload photos. I already have uploaded it, upload photos, so I will use it. Simply press this option and you will see a magic. So see your LaTeX file, LaTeX commands. So you can use these commands in your Overleaf for your thesis and project work. Simply copy here and paste there and use whatever equation you want to use. It is very convenient tool for MSc and PhD scholar students. Now I will show you how to upload how to use a PDF. I already uploaded a PDF. You can use plus sign to upload. So if I here is option export to LaTeX. So I simply press it and you can see exporting to LaTeX. Here it will download in zip folder. Simply extract and you will see a LaTeX commands or file. Simply open it. Okay, wait. How much wait? It is taking longer time. I wonder why. Okay. Now you can see. Okay, what is this? Okay, and you can see your folder and you can see your LaTeX file. Simply open it. And you can see here is your LaTeX file. This is the LaTeX file of this PDF, unknown PDF. So you can copy and paste simply. That's all in this video. Thank you for watching. If you have any query, please write in comments. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm your host Harry. So today in this video I will show you how to increase spacing between text, so your text looks so beautiful in Overleaf. So you can see a conclusion folder. This is how it normally spacing in your file, in Overleaf file. So you have to use to increase spacing, you have to use some package. Use package set space. Okay, remember this and go to your main tech. First of all, recompile it properly. Okay, I compiled it. Now you have to write. So you can see here is only one. This is a spacing between before. Now you have to write command double spacing. So this is the command. Now see the magic. 1 2 3. Here we go. This is how it look like after using this spacing command. This is more beautiful than before one. This is really beautiful. So this is how you increase spacing in Overleaf. Hope you enjoyed. If you have any query, write in comment. Thank you for watching. Like, share, and subscribe. See you soon. So hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm your host Harry. So you know guys very well that if you are writing a thesis and project work, you need lots of text from other papers. So in order to avoid a copyright issue, I will show you how to do that. You simply search rephrase tool. Okay, rephrase. This is a rephrasing tool. This first one is very good. So now for example, I want to use some text. For example, butterfly diagram. For example, on Wikipedia. For example, I want to use this in my project work or in my thesis. So I will copy this one, and in order to avoid copyright issue, I go to rephrase tool. So this I will show you rephrase. Okay, rephrase, and simply paste here and press rephrase, and you will, oh sorry, what happened? Okay, wait, paste and rephrase. So you can see this tool is automatically rephrasing this text, so I can use this rephrase text in my thesis and project work to avoid a copyright issue. It is very convenient for PhD students, etc. That's all in this video. Thank you for watching. If you have any query, let me know in my comment box in this video. See you soon. Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm your host Harry. So some student face some issue in this Overleaf about this file, this layout. So here is lots of option of layout. This is your main text file, and this is your, so here is source and PDF. Now here is invisible tool, this one. So you can zoom out, zoom in, and you can stretch. This is an invisible tool. You have to find it in top left corner here. That's all in this video. If you have any query, please let me know in comment box. See you soon. So hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm your host Harry. If you are writing a thesis or any text or essay, any English text, and you are having a problem of grammar mistakes, so simply you have to search free grammar checker like this, and this is my favorite one, free grammar check. Simply go to here. So in this tool, if you write any mistake, it will automatically correct. So first of all, let's start. So lots of students facing English grammar mistake, and if they are writing thesis or project work, they do use this type of softwares for grammar mistakes. So I am writing some text. You can see I am a very poor man. Okay, so you can see here two, press this one, and you can see two mistakes, accept and accept. So you can see poor and man spelling is correct now. So this is very convenient tool. So lots of PhD students do write the here, and after that they simply copy text from here and use in their work. Okay, let's write some another thing. Elephant. I intentionally writing these mistakes so I can show you. So you can see one mistake, two mistake. So accept and accept. So this, okay, this is premium. 3 issue addressed is solved. Elephant. So you can see this tool automatically correcting my mistakes, grammar mistakes. Thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe.